Hey everybody, we're over here at A&W for our Gears and Grind cruise. We just had the cruise. Sorry about my voice. I lost it last week and I'm just barely getting it. But got quite a few people going into A&W and get something to eat. You guys gotta come out here and visit us for a while. We'll be here for another couple hours. Oh yeah, got quite a few cars out for the cruise. Real nice cruise. We met at our Gears and Grind location in Galt at 10 and left at 10:35 and came out here. But yep, got quite a few cars came out for the cruise.
You kind of just fall in and
Yeah. Couple cars over here.
Salt, gears, and grind.
Oh. It looks like one guy got the shade over here. We had to compete with other cars for parking, but yeah. But yep, come on out here at A&W for a little cruise. We'll be here, like I said, for another few more hours. You guys have a good day.